welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Today I am going to prepare Gujiya recipe. It's a oval shaped sweet dumpling prepared especially in the festival seasons. It's also known as kajjikayalu in Kannada, karanji in Maharashtra, karachika in Tamil Nadu, Gujiya in Gujarat, and kajjikayalu in Andhra Pradesh. It may have different names, but the preparation is same. In the same time, stuffing is different. Come on, let's start the process. The required ingredients are all-purpose flour, suji rava, sugar, raisins, chopped cashew nuts, cardamom, dry coconut powder, salt. Take a pan, add ghee to it. Once ghee get heated, add suji rava. Fry it on a low flame. Stir occasionally. Into this mixture, add dry coconut powder. Combine it. Fry it for 2 minutes. Add smashed cardamom. Now add chopped cashew nuts and raisins. Now transfer this mixture into a bowl. Into this mixture, add sugar. Now mix it well. Finally, the stuffing is ready to prepare gujiya and keep it aside. For preparing a dough, take a bowl, add all-purpose flour, add small amount of suji rava, add pinch of salt for the taste. In this dough, we add a suji rava. It helps to give crispiness to the gujiya. Now dough was ready. Divide the dough into equal parts and keep it aside. Take a dough ball. Make a small chapati with help of the rolling pin. Into this, add the stuffing mixture. Apply some water over the edges. Now fold it. Now stick the edges together and press it slightly. With the help of the fork, we need to close these edges as shown in the video. Now transfer this into a plate. Now take another dough ball and repeat the same process. Dust some all-purpose flour over the plate and keep these gujiyas. It helps to not to stick together. Do the all gujiyas in the same manner. Once oil get heated, add this gujiya one by one into the hot oil. Fry it on both sides until we get golden color. Once it's done, now transfer this gujiya into a bowl. Fry it in the same way the remaining gujiyas. Once it gets fried, now transfer these gujiyas into the same bowl. Finally, gujiyas are ready to be served.